In today's energy markets, I want to focus on natural gas to start the week. Natural gas, a big mover, down about 5.5% today. We're seeing significant selling pressure to start the week, and I can tell you when you look at the price action, we did see a gap lower this morning on the opening. So again, the momentum now is shifting back towards the downside after we saw what appears to be a double top here the last month or so. We're seeing some significant selling pressure once again to the downside and putting us right back into this middle of the range. Really, when you look at natural gas for the last couple of months, we've been in this range, a volatile range, but between 240 on the low end and 290 on the high end, and currently trading right around the 2.65 levels. So we're seeing a reevaluation of the markets, a repricing of the expectations moving forward. And I think you got to point to the storyline coming out of the trade initiative once again this morning, possibly leading to the selling pressure in natural gas. Now we are seeing some of the tariff rollbacks that were discussed late last week. Over the weekend, the administration indicating that maybe they're a little overstated and maybe some of them might not get initiated or rolled back at the pace that the market was anticipating. And I think that's part of the reason why we saw some selling pressure here in the equity markets this morning. And then we also saw it persist in the energy markets as well. And also, I mean, the civil unrest, also the Hong Kong storyline over the weekend certainly played into some of the fears, at least initially this morning, on the idea of how that might impact the economic structure moving forward. And those two themes, I think, really shifted the dynamics within the natural gas space, at least to start the week. And also the weather patterns are another thing that certainly the market's been very focused on. And it does appear that as the forecast shifted a few weeks ago, we saw natural gas react quite significantly. And now that the cold weather is here, and it certainly looks like it's set in for at least the better part of the next week or so, that maybe the market overshot the impact, at least to this point. And I think that's another reason why we're seeing this reversal here, at least to start the week, with the selling pressure continuing to persist to the downside, putting natural gas back in the middle of the range for the last several months.